What's up, Crypto Fam? It's me again, Lloyd. For today's video, I will tackle about TARS AI. So please join me as I explore more about TARS AI. Let's make something amazing together. In the world rapidly evolving with technology, the future of finance is here. Introducing the TARS AI cryptocurrency, the revolutionary digital currency that combines the power of artificial intelligence with blockchain technology. TARS AI cryptocurrency is designed to offer unparalleled security, speed, and efficiency. Our advanced AI algorithms ensure real-time transaction with zero latency, making it a perfect choice for global commerce. With TARS AI, transactions are secure and instant. Say goodbye to long-term waiting times and high transaction fees. Experience seamless trading and spending like never before. So, why choose TARS AI? Because it's built for the future. Our AI-driven predictive analytics provide insights to maximize your returns, plus our robust security protocols protect your assets with military-grade encryption. And last, TARS AI is not just a cryptocurrency. It's a global network joined millions of users worldwide who are embracing the future of digital finance. Together, we're building a decentralized and exclusive financial ecosystem. And so that's all for today, and the TARS AI cryptocurrency, the future of finance starts your journey today. Thank you.